It's sunnier than most days. You'll never see the sky if you keep looking down. And if you take the wrong way, then maybe you should stay instead of turning around. So, but you keep on going. I know that you're in the open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out the window.
Good morning, guys. It is a beautiful day today. I am about to go get my lashes done. I haven't done it in 3 weeks and it's holding up pretty well, but I have an appointment to get a refill, so that is what I'm gonna do. It is so nice today. It's like 70 degrees. We actually live pretty close to the water, so it doesn't get too hot around us, and when it does hit over 70, we're like, wow, this feels so nice. So that is the plan for today. It is 11:17. I actually have to go in like 5 minutes, so I'm gonna get dressed. Also, I am using my other camera to vlog. I kind of just wanted to see what this would look like for vlogging. So this is my fancy camera. I usually just use my like little G7X to vlog, so I wanted to test this out. I have like a mic and everything. This is usually what I use for like my sit down videos and my outfit videos, but wanted to try this out. Also, you guys, some of you were saying that my life like looks so neat and everything. That is not true. So I filmed a outfits video the other day and look at this mess. It is so messy in my office space and I really need to clean it up. Let me give you a good look. This is all on the floor, all my clothes, some PR packages. Gotta get my life situated after today. So I think I am going to wear these pants. I've been like wearing them a lot because they're just so comfortable. This is what it looks like on. They're from Urban and they're just kind of like these cargo pants, but like super comfy. And then for my top, I think I'm just gonna wear, I'm like picking out from the clothes on the floor. This is the reality of it. I think I'm just gonna wear a black tank top. I have this one from Aritzia. Let's put it on.
Watching you moving in the beat, cause swerving in the street just to get a glimpse of you. You were posing for them, yeah, you were striding for them, cause you know just what you do.
Okay, I just finished doing my lashes and this is what they look like. I feel like after you do your lashes, your under eyes always look a little crazy, but I really like them. And now I just got myself some lunch. I got some poke bar because I'm starving. It's 3 o'clock. I only had breakfast. I also got their boba to try out. Let's see how it tastes. That's pretty good. Some salmon, some tuna with imitation crab, mango, some spicy mayo sauce. I am excited. I haven't had poke in a while. If I'm being honest too, so if I never told you, baby, you should know I'm going crazy. I can't help myself anymore, cause gonna clean out my closet. I'm gonna do a little spring cleaning because it has been a while since I've like really cleaned out my closet, and I just sold some things on Poshmark, but I want to get rid of more things just because I just need some more room, honestly, and I just need to get rid of things I just don't wear anymore. So I'm gonna clean out this closet today. I have some summer clothes up there that I haven't taken down yet. They're from like last summer. So I'm gonna take that down and see what I can get rid of, what I can donate and whatnot. This whole section is Samson's, so I'm not gonna touch that. And he got like this little chair over here that he just dumps his clothes. So I'm just gonna dump all that on the floor. I think I'll keep these. I feel like these will come back in trend, maybe like a little bit later. I mean, I can obviously still wear these now. They're super cute little gingham pants. Donate this. I literally like never wore this. This is like one of my favorite little rompers, so I'm gonna keep this. Basically, my rule of thumb is if I wore it at all last year, or if I'm planning on wearing it anytime soon, I'm gonna keep it. If I'm not gonna wear it anytime soon, then I am going to donate it.
I've never been this good before. Cause you're dancing in the corner, you're dancing how you want it. I can't help but smile. And then I started tapping my feet in bed, we're moving to the beat, yeah. Summer nights with you and I never thought I would've felt that love I was dreaming of. But my hand is over yours and now you got me, and I just can't breathe with you here. You should know, you can tell me how you feel, but your heart out if it's real. You can dance till 3 in the morning. Don't wanna pretend like I just wanna be friends. So if I'm being honest too, so if I never told you, baby, you should know I'm going crazy. I can't help myself anymore. Cause I've been looking for the one, and now I think I found your love. Cause things have never been this good. Such a shame when my friends are getting in the way.
On our way to Joshua Tree. It's our first time in the desert. Still 2 hours left to go, but we are very excited. And there's Kobe. What?
So it reminds me of 7-Eleven. One of the bummiest things we've ever done.
It's fun. It's a road trip. Uh-oh. Someone smells the hot dogs.
I started tapping my feet in bed, we're moving to the beat, yeah. Summer nights with you and I.
The first one up. We are about to go on a hike this morning. We're just like taking Kobe out right now. So we got in pretty late last night because there was a lot of traffic. It took so long. It was supposed to be at like a 2-hour trip. It took us like 5 hours because of the traffic. But we finally got in. Our friends got in afterwards. Two of our friends, Ben and Carmen, are here, and they have a little wiener dog named Barry, and he is adorable. So I'm about to get ready and we're gonna go on a little hike. hot?
I'm okay. Are you?
Kind of feels like 90 degrees,
No, it does feel like 90 degrees.
but it's like 75.
I feel like, you know, sometime during the summer, this will be, you know, just literally unbearable at this time.
Yeah. But I'm glad we got to see it.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. Look at you. Sam the Griller.
Can we get it closer? I think it's fine. I think we can keep this. Perfectly still right now.
Kobe?
Yeah. He's sleepy. You think so?
He's falling asleep.